Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Target SBI. These are the contents we are going to see in this video. First, the to-do list. These are the tasks we need to complete for today. Let's see some speed math tricks. From today onwards, we are going to see some more tricks to solve arithmetic questions. This one, first one. If A can do a work in X days and B can do in Y days, then in how many days both A and B together can do the whole work? If the question asks like this will be the formula. Okay, let's see an example. A can do a work in 10 days, means A can do a work in 10 days. B can do a work in 40 days. So, then in how many days A and B together can complete the work? So, A and B, I have given the formula which is 10 into 40 divided by sum of these two, which is 50. 10 5 times 5 8 times. So A plus B together can complete the whole work in 8 days. Okay, let's see another one. If A can do a work in X days and A and B together can complete the whole work in Y days, then find B in how many days alone can complete the whole work. The formula will be this one. Let's see with the question. If A can do a work in 60 days, this is 60 days. A and B together can complete the whole work in 45 days. Okay, this one. Then in how many days B alone can complete the whole work? I given the formula as x into y by x minus y. So it is multiplied and difference of these two, 15. 15 3 times is okay. So B alone can complete the whole work in 63 times is 180 days. Okay. Similarly, if A, B, C of these days are given respectively, then the A plus B plus C, all the three can complete the work in this formula. If A plus B can do in X days, B plus C can do in Y days, C plus A can do in Z days, then the A plus B plus C formula will be this one. Okay. This is the next concept. PhD whole equals to work. PhD means persons, hours, and days. And we need to remember this one also. PhD equals to work. PhD equals to work. Okay, let's see an example and understand what this is. If 10 persons working 5 hours a day can complete the work in 6 days, means 10 persons, see this one PhD, I am using PhD formula here. 10 persons 5 hours can complete the work in 6 days. Okay, whole equals to work. This is work, let be 1 unit. 1 unit work will be completed. Okay, in how many days? 5 persons. I'm using this one. 5 persons working 10 hours a day can complete same work in how many days? So asked for X days, and this will be unit 1. Same work. So it will be unit 1 digit. So our answer will be 5, 5, 10, 10. So answer will be X equals to 6. It will be the days. How many days? Means 6 days. Okay. Now we are going to see a month-based reasoning puzzle. 8 persons going on vacation in different months. Months are February, March, April, June, July, August, October, December. We need to note the number of days in the month also. in the side. This will be 28, 31, 30, June 30, July 31 days, 31 days, 31 days, 31 days. Let's note the rough statements in the side. Okay. No one goes between S and U. No one goes between S and U, means S and U are adjacent to each other. One person goes between U and T. One person goes between U and T. Okay. Three people goes between V and P. Three people goes between V and P. W goes in the month less than 31 days. W goes either February 28 days or April 30 days or June 30 days. Okay. V goes in the month having 30 days. V goes in the month having 30 days. Two people go between W and Q. Two people go between W and Q. R goes before Q. In the month having 31 days, means R goes in the month having 31 days, but not in July. So in July R doesn't goes. Okay. Let's start with W. W will be either 28, 30 or 30. So W place will be here, here or here. Next we'll see this one. Two people. 1 2 Q. 1 2 Q. 1 2 Q. It is also possible. One more possibility is 1 2 Q. This is also possible. R is above Q. So this case fails. Now R is above Q and 31 days. R is above Q here. 31 days. R is above Q but not in July. So it is a place. R is above Q means either here or another possibility will be here. Let's see V. V equals to V in the month of 30 days. The month with 30 days will be remaining this one and this one. Here it is this one. Here it is this one. Okay. Three people P. 1 2 3. It is P. It is P here. No possibility of P here. False. 1 2 3 P. False. Now we need to see two possibilities only. Okay, next we have U dash T. U and S are immediate neighbors. We take U and T here. S and U are immediate neighbors. So this one true. In this case, it is fails with the S. So this possibility is also fails. Remaining with this one. This is the answer for our puzzle. Now we are going to see inequalities. For inequalities, we will go through the questions directly. T to Q. T to Q it is going as it is to U to R. U to R no possibility of flow. False. K to T. From K to T the flow is going. Q to T. Q to T also the flow is going. Question number 3. I to F. From I to F there is the flow as it is to. S to D flow with equal to also. S to D and everywhere there is equal to also as it is to. V to H with equal to also. V to J is possible but there is not going to this side, so false. M to H with equal to also. M to H flowing as with equal to also as it is true. Now let's see the last one. N to B. N to B there is no possibility. L to H. Okay, L to H means L it is not going. False. Now we are going to see syllogisms questions. All phone is charger. All phone is charger. Only a few charger is hard disk. Only a few charger is hard disk. Some hard disk is not monitor. Some hard disk is not a monitor. Only monitor is keyboard. So keyboard is inside monitor and does not share anything with any other. Okay. Let's see conclusion 1. No, keyboard is a charger. Keyboard doesn't share with anything. It is saying about charger as it is true. Second one. Some monitor is not phone. All monitor can be phone possibility. All monitor can be phone is possibility. No, because of keyboard. So this will be true. Okay, let's see question number 2. Only a few gem is KitKat. Only a few gem is KitKat. All KitKat is perk. No perk is munch. Only a few munch is waffy. Let's see conclusions. Some gems is not munch. All gems can be munch possibility. All gems munch. No, all case fails. So this one is true. Second one. All waffy being perk is possibility. All waffy perk not possible. False. Question number 3. Only a few brinjal is potato. Only a few brinjal potato. Some potato is tomato. No tomato is the spins. All spins is broccoli. Conclusion 1. All brinjal being tomato possibility. All brinjal being tomato is possibility. Yes, it is true. Second one. Some broccoli being tomato possibility. Some broccoli being tomato. Yes, it is also true. Fourth one. Only a few cheese is butter. All butter is ghee. No butter is oil. Conclusion 1. All cheese can never be oil. All cheese can be oil possible. All cheese can be oil. No. So all case fails. So this one is true. All ghee being oil is not possibility. All ghee being oil is not possibility. SB doesn't share with oil. So it is also true. Let's see the fifth one. All chimp. All chimp is monkey. Some goat is monkey. Some dog is chimp. Okay, some dog is chimp. Conclusions. No dog is goat. It is fails. Second one. Some chimp is a goat. Some chimp is goat. No, it is also fails. Now we are going to see simplifications. Question number 1. 1936, which is 16, 17, 18, 19. This is 44th one into 784, which is 28 plus 4x plus this is 19. 2 times is 38 and 95 plus 3, 98. Okay. Now how to calculate this is 4 into 11 into 28. 28 2 times is 56. 56 2 times is 112. 112 into 11 means 112. Okay. 2, 3, 2, 1 all equals to 4x plus 988. Therefore 4x equals to 1232 minus 988. We get 4. This is 4. Here it will be 11 means 2. 244. So x equals to 4 6 times and 1 time 61. Option C is our answer. In this question I have taught you how to solve this square root, and I already said you to by heart 1 to 60 squares. These are in that 1 to 60 squares also. Now going to see question number 2. This is 5 by 6 into this is 42 plus 3 by 4 into this is 35 plus x by 100 into 290 equals to 165 minus 3. 5 times is 15 and 7 times. A small correction in the question. It is 7, not 4. Okay. Now we're going to see 6, 7 times 7, 5 times 7, 35 plus this will be 15. Okay. This one 57. We get 17, 8, 9, 10, 107. 107 plus x by 10 into 29 equals to 165. So this 107 comes this side. We get 3 plus 5, 8. This will be 5, 58, 90, 29 2 times. So x will be 20. Our answer is option E. In this question, I have already said uh, to read 1 to 60 squares. This is in between them, and I already teach you how to do remember the 40 to 60 squares. This is in between them, and I already teach you how to uh, do square roots and the squares ending with 5. This is one of it. Okay. Now going for question number 3. Number 3. 17 cube 4913. 27 square is 729. This is 2, 4, 6, 5, 6, 4, 2 divided by 14. 14, 4 times 56, 0 and 3 times. 403 plus x by 10 into 12 equals to 19. 2 times is 38 and 418 will be the here. Okay, 403 minus 4 here, this one 403. We get 15. 3, 4 times 3, 5 times. So we get x equals to 5 by 50 by 4. Means 2 times and 25. This will be 12.5 times. So our answer will be option A, 12.5. Now going to see question number 4. This is 19 3 times is 57 and 19 5 times is 95. 107 minus 399 minus 399. Okay, we get 8, 0, 9 minus 3, 6, 6, 0, 9, 8 divided by 19. 19 3 times is 57 and 38 2 times. Okay, whole into 44. 4 2 times is 8, 4 3 times is 12 into 11 means 1 2 8 8 10 4 1 408 whole equals to 11x plus 682. So 11x equals to 1408 minus 682, it will be 6 2. This will be 7 726. 11 6 times and 6 times is our answer. So our answer will be option B, 66. Now going to see question number 5. 576. 576 means it is 24 square and this is 15 cube into this will be 22 whole equals to x into 2304 means 48 one. Okay, 48. 24 2 times is 48. Okay, to 11 times. So x will be 15 into 11 times 165. Option E. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. Question number 1. 162 divided by 3, 3 5 times and 4 times 54 9. It is 29 means 27 2 times and the roots are negative. Okay, here 224. 16 14 times is 224. 8 2 times and 7 2 times. We'll do 8 4 times is 32 and 7. 32 and 7 are the roots and the roots are in positive. Or else the question has positive and positive means the roots are in negative. Here minus and positive, the roots are in positive. It is clear that x is greater than y. X is lesser than y. Okay. Let's see the question 2. Here also, wait a second. It is cube. So let's take common of x. X square minus 17x plus 72 equals to 0. Here take y as common. Y square plus 9y plus 14 equals to 0. Here the roots are x roots will be x 0 times this will be 9 and 8 positive values. Okay, this is x roots. Y has roots of 0 comma this will be 9 negative roots of 7 2 times. Okay, by comparing these two it is clear that x is greater than or equals to y. 115 means 23 5 times and the roots are in positive. Here 896 uh, 8 1 times 8 1 times and 2 times this will be 16 7 times into 8. We need to find this 60. So dividing this into 4 into 2 we get 7 4 times is 28 and this will be 32. We get 60 and the roots are in positive. By comparing these two it is clear that x is lesser than y. Okay, next going to see question number 4. This is here the roots are in positive means the roots will be in negative. Minus and positive, here the roots are in positive. It is clear that x is lesser than y. Now going to see this one. Here it is 36 square. 12 1 to 96 is 36 square. So x value are the roots of positive and negative of 6. Okay, it is y square. Y square value is this one 2401 2401 49. So y value will be positive 7 and negative 7. Here positive and negative, here will be positive and negative. So there will be no relation because x is greater than y and x is lesser than y. So no relation. Now we are going to see 5 mixed arithmetic questions. First question. The cost price of 36 books is equals to selling price of the 30 books. So CP of 36 books is equals to selling price of 30 books. 30 books of selling price. So CP by SP equals to 30 by 36, which will be 5 times and 6 times. So cost price is 5, selling price is 6 rupees. So the profit is 1 rupee. So profit is 1. What is the question? The gain percentage. What he gained is 1 out of cost price 5 into 100, which will be 20%. So our answer will be 20%, which is option A. Question number 2. The difference between the simple interest received from two different sources on rupees 1500 for 3 years is 13.50. Difference between the rates of interest is, okay, let the rates are R1 and R2. Okay, interest means on 1500 at R1 for 3 years minus 1500 at R2 for 3 years all equals to 13.50. This will be 4500 into R1 minus 4500 into R2 equals to 1350. Now R1 minus R2 will be 1350 divided by 4500. 0 cancel. 45 3 times is 135. So 3 by 10 is left 0.3%. So our answer will be 0.3. So option C is true here. Question number 3. In how many years rupees 2000 amounts to 2420 at 10% per annum compound interest? Uh, Amount becomes 2420. 2000 becomes 2420. So the difference is 420. So this is the interest they got at 10%. We need to find in how many years. 420 rupees is the interest. Let's see. First year 2000 at 10%. First year he got 200 as the interest. Now if it is the interest, let's see second year interest will be. Second year interest will be, it is compound interest question. So first he get interest of 200 in the second year also, and interest on this also comes. Interest on interest will add on this in compound interest. 10% on 20, he 2200 is plus 20 means 220. So total he get 420 here. So this is the interest we need to get. So we get this 420 in 2 years. So our option C is answer here. Question number 4. A mixture contains spirit and water in the ratio of 3:2. Mixture contains spirit and water in the ratio of 3:2. If it contains 3 liters more spirit than the water, so the difference between these two means one part value is 3. So the quantity of spirit in the mixture is, what is 3 parts value? 3 into 3 times we get 9. 9 liters is our answer, option D. These are the questions for very basic beginners. These all are the basic questions we have started, and we are going to see advanced questions in the upcoming days. Question number 5. A man leaves 8600 to be divided among 5 sons, 4 daughters and 2 nephews. If each daughter receives 4 times as much as each nephew and each son receives 5 times as much as each nephew, there is sons, daughters and nephews. Daughter receives 4 times as much as nephew. Let nephew be x, so he will get 4x, and each son receives 5 times as much as each nephew, means 5 times of x. Okay, their ratio are in 5:4:x. Now how many sons are there? There are 5 sons into 5, 25x. There are 4 daughters is 16x. There are 2 nephews, so into 2, 2x. The total is 43x. We got 43x. This 43x is total equals to 8600. So each one got 200. Now what is the question? How much does each daughter receives? Daughters are 4 members, so each daughter receives 4x times, so each daughter receives 800. 4x equals to 800. So our option C is right here. Now it is your task to complete these wrong number series and missing number series questions, and comment your answers in the comment box. Thanks for watching.